Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Amir Hussain. As you know that from the couple of weeks we are discussing chapter 4 of political science, which is entitled as Gender, Religion and Caste. In this chapter we have discussed the first two topics, that is gender and politics, or role of gender in politics, and second is religion and politics. Now we are discussing the third topic. We have taken up this topic and I have uploaded the first part of this topic, which is titled as communalism and politics, or role of communalism in politics. And in the part first, I have told you that what this communalism ideology is, what it stands for, what are the basic tenets or principles which govern, which guide this ideology. And in short, we can say that communalism is an ideology which believes that a religion is the basis of nation. Religion is also the basis of nationalism. It is also the basis of, you can say, social community. And it has been assumed that people are followers of one religion, they have same interests, they belong to one community, and therefore there is no conflict in them. Even if there are differences, these differences hardly matter. Now, this ideology also believes that people are followers of different religions. They cannot, they do not belong, sorry, they do not belong to one community. Although there are some commonalities among these people of different religions, but even then, their interests are not same. Their interests are different, and their interests are conflicting. And this ideology also believes that now, if the followers of different religions, if these followers have even commonalities, uh, some common goals, some common objectives, even then their interests in are not same, rather they are different, and they always lead to violence, conflict. And this ideology also believes that people of different religions cannot live within a nation as equal citizens. And there are two options for them. There are two options: either one of them has to dominate over the another, or if one community, if one religion, it do not dominate over the another, then surely these two people of different religions, they have to form different nations because their interests are different. So also we discussed that this communalism, the ideas of this communalism, they have no base, no ground, rather they are flawed ideas. There are many flaws, there are many weaknesses in these ideas. So communalism ideology has been strongly criticized. And it has been said by the critics that it is not always that that followers of one religion have only one, these have similar interests, have similar aspirations. They have only one identity, rather than they possess various identities. They have different identities, different roles, different positions, and it is not possible for them to have only one identity, that is a religious identity. Same in the same way, the followers of these sorry in the same way, within the community or inside the community, there are many voices, and these voices have the right to be heard. And if there is any attempt which is made to bring people or followers of one religion together, it will lead to the suppression of these voices. And within that community. So it is not good to suppress the voices that are existing within a community. So this is all about what communalism is. Now in this topic we are going to discuss different forms. We are going to discuss different forms of communalism. We are going to discuss different forms of communalism in politics. There are several forms of communalism in politics, and the first important and the common form is everyday beliefs. This communalism in politics has taken various forms. इसकी बहुत सारी शक्लें हैं और कॉमन जो आम तौर पे देखी गई हैं वो एवरीडे बिलीफ्स है. व्हाट आर दीज एवरीडे बिलीफ्स? दीज इन्वॉल्व्स routine these involves routinely religious prejudices religious prejudices, stereotypes of a religious communities, and belief in the superiority of one's religion over other religions. So these are everyday beliefs. फर्स्ट फार्म विच इज़ कॉमन फार्म ऑफ दिस कम्युनलिज्म, जो इसकी आम शक्ल है पॉलिटिक्स में इस कम्युनलिज्म की, वो आप देखोगे वो यही है. रूटीनली रिलीजियस बिलीफ्स आप देखोगे हम. religious prejudices, what are these religious prejudices? These are preoccupied notions, preconceived notions, जो हमने notions पहले ही फिक्स करके रखे हैं कि रिलीजन के बारे में, किसी भी रिलीजन के बारे में, ये रिलीजन ऐसा है, ये रिलीजन वैसा है, इसमें ऐसी चीज़ें हैं, वैसी चीज़ें, इन्हीं को हमने पहले ही बना के रखा होता है कि ये रिलीजन जो है किस चीज़ के बारे में है, इसमें क्या चीज़ें हैं, क्या क्या है, वो हमें उसी को रिलीजियस प्रेजुडिसेस कहते हैं. Similar way, we have stereotypes of religious communities. What are these stereotypes? Stereotypes are also fixed notions. We have fixed characteristics of some religious communities. हमने कहा है कि हिंदू जो है, हिंदू मज़हब ऐसे हैं, तो वो ऐसे पत्थरों की पूजा करते हैं, वो आइडल वर्शिप करते हैं. तो ये इनके फीचर्स है, ये इस मज़हब के, इस कम्युनिटी के हम देखते हैं ये फीचर्स है, खुसूसियत है. इसी तरह ये जो है सुपरस्टिशियस बिलीफ्स पे भरोसा रखते हैं. तो ये चीज़ें जो है ये एक कम्युनिटी के साथ वो टैग्स जो है रिलीजियस कम्युनिटी के, जिससे हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं एक रिलीजियस कम्युनिटी, उन्हीं को हम स्टीरियोटाइप्स कहते हैं, फिक्स्ड वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. एंड इन द सेम वे देयर इज बिलीफ इन द सुपीरियरिटी ऑफ वन्स रिलीजन ओवर द अदर रिलीजन. समटाइम्स वी बिलीव दैट आवर रिलीजन इज सुपीरियर ओवर द अनदर रिलीजन. सो दीज आर द कॉमन फॉर्म्स ऑफ everyday beliefs in politics. This is common form of this communalism in politics. ये आम form है, but the problem is that this form of communalism is hardly visible. It is hardly noticed. It is hardly noticed, or sometimes we fail to notice this. This is not visible, just like all other forms of communalism. This is this is not visible, rather it is invisible. We fail to notice this form of communalism. So this is first form of communalism. Second form of communalism is a quest for political dominance of one's own religious community. Second form of this communalism, which is this quest for political domination of political dominance of one's own religious community. Sometimes what happens is what this these communal people, who those people who believe in communal ideology, they always look around, they always search in search of political dominance. They wanted to have search for political dominance. Quest means desire. They desire, their desire is for political dominance. They wanted to have political dominance of one's religious community. And sometimes ये जो ये religious, जिनको हम कहते हैं communal minded लोग, communal minded और communal mind लोग जो है, they always, this communal mind always leads to a quest for political dominance. ये जो communal mind होगा, वो लोग जो communalism पे believe होंगे, जिन पे communalism सवार होगा, वो हमेशा क्या करते हैं, वो हमेशा इस ताक में होते हैं कि वो political dominance अपनी ही religion की, अपनी ही religious community की वो political dominance, उसमें politically dominant रहे, ये कम्युनल माइंड हमेशा अटेम्प्ट करते हैं. और अगर ये अटेम्प्ट कामयाब हुआ तो इससे क्या होगा, इससे मेजॉरिटेरियन डोमिनेंस होगी. अगर ये जो कम्युनल माइंडेड पॉलिटिकल लीडर है, अगर वो मेजॉरिटेरियन, अगर वो मेजॉरिटेरियन, ये जो मेजॉरिटी वहाँ पे होगी, अगर वो हिंदूज़, मान लो हिंदूज़ में मेजॉरिटी, यहाँ पे इंडिया में हिंदूज़ की मेजॉरिटी है, अगर वो हिंदूज़ को कम्युनल पॉलिटिक्स के, ये सॉरी रिलीजियस कम्युनिटी समझकर उनको बताएगा कि मैं आप ही को की रिलीजियस कम्युनिटी को जो है, मैं अपनी ही रिलीजियस कम्युनिटी को डोमिनेट बनाना चाहता हूँ पॉलिटिकली, तो वहाँ पे जो है इससे क्या होगा, वो बताएगा उनको कि मेजॉरिटेरियन डोमिनेंस मैं इस्टेब्लिश करूँगा और मेजॉरिटेरियन डोमिनेंस इस्टेब्लिश होगी. एंड if there is a minority ruler, सॉरी minority leader, अगर लीडर माइनॉरिटी से बिलोंग करता है तो माइनॉरिटी क्या करेगी, वो माइनॉरिटी को हमेशा किस चीज़ पे जमा करेगा, किस चीज़ पे माइनॉरिटी को वो उकसाएगा, वो हमेशा माइनॉरिटी को बोलेगा कि he will always try to he will always try to unite the minority on the issue of the religious community. But what kind of religious community? He will demand a separate political unit. वो हमेशा separate political unit करेगा. And this demand of separate political unit, it was visible at the time of the before the independence of India, when during the British rule, this person Quaid-e-Azam of Pakistan, that is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, he started this uniting, organizing the Muslims on the pretext that the Muslims, on the pretext that Muslim, he wanted to protect the this interests of the Muslim community. So on that issue, on the issue of religion, he organized Muslims and he started demanding a separate political unit, that is separate land, homeland for Pakistan, that is Pakistan. And he started this spreading a theory. He started this projected a theory, he propounded a theory that is called two nation theory. And according to two nation theory, and this India, in India there are two communities, that is Muslims and Hindus. So this nation is not fit for the two communities, rather than Muslim interests are different, so Muslims should demand a separate union, a separate homeland. So they started demanding separate homeland, and the separate homeland was given to the Pakistan in the form of Pakistan in 1947, when finally June 3rd plan of Mountbatten was announced. So this is another important form of communalism. Third, which is another, this is frequent. Another frequent form of communalism is the political mobilization on religious grounds. दिस इज़ अनदर थर्ड फार्म ऑफ कम्युनलिज्म. एक और फार्म कम्युनलिज्म की शक्ल जो है वो आप देख सकते हो, वो पॉलिटिकल मोबिलाइजेशन है. और पॉलिटिकल मोबिलाइजेशन क्या है? पॉलिटिकल मोबिलाइजेशन एक्चुअली आप देखोगे रिलीजियस लाइन्स पे होगी, रिलीजियस ग्राउंड्स पे होगी. अगर कोई कम्युनिटी जो है उसको रिलीजियस बेसिस पे मोबिलाइज किया जा रहा है पॉलिटिकली, तो वहाँ पे ये फॉर्म जो है, यही फॉर्म कम्युनलिज्म जो है देखी गई है. And this was again that Muslim, when during the British rule, Muslims started demanding this separate organization, and it was Nawab Salimullah who formed this Muslim League, and the purpose of Muslim League was to mobilize the Muslims on religious grounds. Religious grounds पे मुसलमानों को जो है उस वक्त mobilize किया गया, and their its purpose was to preserve, to promote their interests. So this is another form of this communalism, and this form of communalism, it makes the use of sacred symbols or religious leaders sometimes, or it can also have emotional appeal also, etc. These are some of the methods which this form of communalism always takes. That means communalists who wanted to mobilize politically the people on religious grounds, they always make the use of these things. वो हमेशा ये जो सेक्रेड रिलीजियस सिम्बल्स होंगे उन पे वो फोकस करते हैं, उनको यूज़ करते हैं. रिलीजियस लीडर जो है उनका इन्फ्लुएंस जो है वो पॉलिटिक्स में वो भी लाते हैं, वो भी मेथड यूज़ करते हैं, और इसके साथ साथ वो इमोशनल अपील लोगों को करते हैं, इमोशनली लोगों को ब्लैकमेल करते हैं कि रिलीजियस के नाम पे जो है उनको उकसाते हैं. सो दिस इज़ अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर्म ऑफ कम्युनलिज्म. एंड द फोर्थ फॉर्म ऑफ कम्युनलिज्म, that is fourth form, that is ugly form of communalism, is communal violence riots and massacre. This is ugly form of communalism. What is ugly form of communalism? जो सबसे बदतर फार्म इस कम्युनलिज्म की है जो देखी गई है, वो हमेशा कम्युनल वायलेंस है, कम्युनल राइट्स है, जो मज़हब के नाम पे कम्युनल दंगे फसाद किए जाते हैं, कम्युनल राइट्स किए जाते हैं, कम्युनल ये जो शोर शराबा होता है, मैसेकर होता है, लोगों को मारा जाता है. और ये अगली फेस, ये सबसे बदतरीन इस कम्युनलिज्म का फेस है. एंड दिस फॉर्म ऑफ कम्युनलिज्म, दिस ugly form of communalism was seen at the it was experienced or seen at the time of independence, at the time of partition, when when India became independent, and when India was partitioned into two parts, that's Pakistan, Union of Pakistan, and Union of India. At that time, this there were communal clashes, there were communal violence, and cities such as Karachi, Amritsar, and in the same way other cities, they or Kolkata also, they became the centers of communal violence. They are called communal zones, and they became important centers of this communal violence. People were massacred in the followers of one religion, supporters of one religion. They committed atrocities on the people of other religions. They massacred the people, they attacked the people, they killed the people, and it has been said that in these communal clashes there have been many people were killed, women even. Women were worst sufferers of this communal violence. So this is and even in post-independence India, communal clashes were also visible. Communal clashes were frequent also in post-independent India, and in today's India you will see there were communal clashes in various states, various parts of country. So this is all about different forms of communalism and in the politics. So hope you have understood it well.